be demonstrating the basic cleaning and maintenance for your jet drum sander. Be sure to reference your instruction manual for important safety instructions. Once you've disconnected from the power source, you are ready to get started. Let's begin by going over cleaning and lubrication. For best results, cleaning your jet drum sander should be a regular shop procedure. Excess dust and debris buildup can adversely affect performance through loading of the abrasives, slippage on the conveyor table, and accumulation of material inside the drums, which can throw off the center of balance. Leave the dust collector on when cleaning dust from the drums, and be sure to brush the conveyor belt after cleaning operations. If not cleaned, the conveyor belt could allow stock to slip during sanding operations. The bearings are pre-sealed and require no lubrication. Clean sawdust from the abrasive strip and brush any dust from the conveyor belt. Keep the slide areas clean and be sure to blow dust from the motors and switches. Also, blow dust from the inside of the sanding drum, as it may cause vibration or offset the center of balance. Be sure to check all set screws for tightness on parts such as bearings, conveyor table, and couplings. It's important to also maintain your drum. Under normal circumstances, the drum should not require removal from the machine. Should maintenance ever become necessary, the drum has been designed for easy removal and replacement. Start by raising the drum to the highest position. Remove the 4 socket head screws, then carefully lift out the drum with the coupling attached. To make sure the conveyor table is not twisted, place a level on the conveyor table. Level the machine if needed. If there is still a problem, check the conveyor drive roller and driven roller to make sure they're parallel to the surface of the conveyor table. To do this, first center the conveyor belt on the conveyor table. Then lay a straight edge on the exposed edge of the conveyor table, on the left outboard side, extending it over the roller. Note the distance between the roller and the straight edge. Now, repeat step 1 on the right inboard side of the conveyor. Compare the measurements from side to side. To maintain motor efficiency, inspect the 2 carbon brushes every 2 months or even more frequently if the sander is heavily used. Unscrew and remove the cap and gently pry up an edge of the brass clip until the spring causes it to disengage from the hole. Note the orientation of the brush as you remove it, as it should be inserted in the same manner. The curvature of the brush will match the curvature of the motor. Pull out the brush and inspect it. Install a new brush or reinstall the current brush and gently press it all the way into the hole until the brass clip is secured. Next, install the cap and repeat for the other brush. After installing, run the sander without load for several minutes to seat the new brushes. If you have any further maintenance questions about your jet drum sander, be sure to consult your instruction manual. Any additional servicing to your jet tool should be performed by an authorized service technician at one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states. Don't forget that each jet tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.